fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review, first impressions, all of that, and this makeup look on the new Desi X Katy Dose of Colors collaboration round 2. Round dos. Ooh. Y'all, these products are quite amazing, but you're gonna have to watch this video so you can actually see with your own eyes how good it is. So if you want to see how I get this amazingly beautiful Smurf blue eye, I just look great. I want to be a beautiful model Smurf. Anyway, let me stop. But anyway, if y'all want to see how I did this look and you want to know the deets and whatnot on these products, then keep on watching and let's go on ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the box right here. It actually says Desi X Katy on it in white, but you kind of can't see it on camera because my lights. And then when you open the box, it has them on there. They look so cute. And then here's the products down here. So the collection comes with 2 lip glosses, 2 lipsticks, and then 2 liquid velvets, and then 2 glow highlighters, and then 1 eyeshadow palette. This is called Friendcation. This eyeshadow palette looks so great. I'm like dying to use the blue inside of it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I need to use that blue. So this is the eyeshadow palette. And then when you open it, whoa. These are the colors right here. Like, these things look so good. This blue actually is like blue and purple. I love that. I want to swatch these shimmers. Let's see. Oh, that green though. Wow. Oh, look at these shimmers. They're so smooth and soft and creamy. Whoa, now these are some shimmers right here. That green is gorgeous. I just want to wipe this all over my face. Okay, to start off this eye look, I'm actually going to use this color, right? These two. So I'm going to start off with this one, which is Churro. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on the crease and above the crease. And then now I'm going to go ahead and get this color right here. This one is Girl Bye. I'm going to go ahead and get that color, and we're going to go ahead and put that right underneath. Okay, and after that, we're going to go ahead and use a Moment, which I'm pretty sure that one's that. A Moment. The purple, the blue one. I don't know if I should use my finger or if I should use the brush. I might use my finger, but I forget I have nails on. And you know, I feel like handicap on my hands because I don't know how to use my hands correctly. I haven't had nails in about a year, and I just randomly decided to get them done. I was like, can you do short? This is short to nail salon people. And I'm like, shorter? They're like, no. And I'm like, well, okay then. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this blue color. It's so pretty. Oh! Wow. This thing is beautiful. Can I just put this all over my whole body? I'm gonna need a brush to get in the corners because these nails ain't allowing that. Not today. And then also I'm gonna go ahead and blend up with the brush. Just look at that. I'm focusing it on the eyelid, and then I'm just lightly bringing it up so the little blue glitters go up into the brown. Yeah. Ooh! Y'all, I've never wanted to wear blue on my eyelid more in my life than after I saw this. And now after I saw this on my eyes, I'm just gonna wear blue eyeshadow every single day, I think. Now I'm going to get this gold color right here. Hold up. Okay, you can see it on camera. Do you see how it turns purple in certain light? Okay. I'm just going to get that on a little concealer brush, and we're going to put that in the inner corner of the eye. eyes are done. Now let's check out these highlighters and see which one I'm going to use today. These are the two highlights right here. This one is Chasing the Sun, and this one is Fuego. Fuego is this lighter one, and Chasing the Sun is this one over here. I like that Fuego and even Chasing the Sun is good for dark skin tones as well. Chasing the Sun will be great and beautiful on a darker skin tone. Look at that. That's beautiful. The top one is Chasing the Sun, the bottom one is Fuego. Okay, so Chasing the Sun was calling my heart. So that's what I'm going to use today. Let's test it out. Oh, that's just a little bit and it's beautiful. Oh, wow. 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 It's so like smooth. I put on highlighters and they just look like highlighters. This looks so smooth and it just blends right into your skin. And it's actually really good because you can like go light and then you can build up, or you can just go ham and glow for the gods. Okay, now this right here can be like a new highlighter in my bag. I like the way you do that right there, like the heaven you're walking it down a her. Here's the packaging for the lipsticks. The packaging for the lip glosses. Dang, this one got beautiful colors in it. And then the liquid lipsticks. Oh, I like that color. Yeah, oh, these look like good nude colors. So I'm gonna swatch these lipsticks on my hand. This is Hey Girl right here. This is Aftermath. And then going on to the liquid lipsticks. This right here is My Name. This one is a Mauve Story. This right here is Over the Top Gloss. And then this one right here is The Most. It's got like a pink, purple, blue shimmer to it. So these are all of the colors. I was definitely super excited about these lip colors that I forgot to finish my eyes. So I'm gonna finish my eyes really quick and then we'll get back to the lipsticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner and I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner. Now I'm just gonna pop on some lashes. I'm gonna use my Curly Queen lashes with Eyelure. Now I'm gonna get a black eyeliner and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my waterline. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the bottom lash as well. Oh God, oh God. I just got mascara on my contact. If you wear contacts, you know getting mascara on your contact is like the worst. Dang, Jasmine, you looking good. All right. What's next? Well, actually, I'm gonna put on some blush. I want to look a little blushy. I'm gonna use Benefit's Galentine. I need a little bit of rosy cheeks. There we go. Okay, now time for the lips. I decided on one of the liquid lipsticks, and I'm going to use my main. So let's see. I feel like I can wear this like quite often. It's a good nude. Now to finish it off, just gonna set my face. Ooh. Now let me whip the hair out. Ooh. Woo, that kind of gave me a headache. But there we go. Hair's out. Hair done, makeup done, nails done. Wait, how does that song go? Nails done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? But anyway, so this is the final look. This is what I came up with. This blue is so pretty. Like, from different angles, it's blue, and from different angles, it's purple. So, like, whenever I look myself in the mirror, it's blue and purple. And I'm like, ah! But yeah, so this collection is amazing. Like, I like it a lot. So if you haven't gotten your hands on it, you might want to cop, because this thing, oh, don't compare to a lot. Y'all, I'm gonna wear this lip color every day. It's so nice. Okay, anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. First impressions on the new Desi Katy Dose of Colors collaboration, round 2. So I never actually got to try round 1. Thinking about it, I wasn't on Dose's PR, and then I never got the chance to buy it. So I'm glad I got to try the second one because it's amazing. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you know when I'm posting videos down there, whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.